Samsung has long been a major player in the global smartwatch market, admired for its sleek designs, powerful features, and ecosystem integration. Yet, in recent quarters, the South Korean tech giant has found itself playing catch-up to fierce competition from Apple and Chinese powerhouses like Huawei and Xiaomi. The first quarter of 2025 offered no respite, as the company witnessed a year-over-year dip in both shipment volumes and overall market share. Global smartwatch market in Q1 2025, Samsung slips to fourth place. According to new data from IDC, Samsung shipped 3.4 million smartwatches in Q1 2025, a decline from the 3.6 million units it moved in Q1 2024. This slip translated into a drop in market share from 8.8% to 7.5%, pushing Samsung to fourth place in the global wearable rankings. Here's how the top competitors stacked up in Q1 2025. Huawei led the charge with 10 million units shipped, holding a dominant 21.9% market share. Xiaomi followed closely behind with 8.7 million shipments and a 19% share. Apple remained solid in third, moving 7 million units for a 15.5% share. Samsung's figures reflect a clear need for revitalization, and the upcoming Galaxy Watch lineup might be its best shot yet. Current lineup holding the fort, but challenges persist. Despite the dip, Samsung stayed in the top 5 global smartwatch brands, thanks to its versatile lineup: the Galaxy Watch 7, Galaxy Watch Ultra, and the budget-friendly Galaxy Watch FE. But here's the catch: Samsung was the only brand in the top 5 to experience a YoY decline in shipments. Consumers and analysts alike now have their eyes set on what's next. Can Samsung turn things around with its upcoming launches? Enter the Galaxy Watch 8 series, a make-or-break moment. Next month, Samsung is set to reveal 3 new smartwatches: Galaxy Watch 8, Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, Galaxy Watch Ultra 2025. What's different this year? Quite a bit. The Galaxy Watch 8 Classic marks the triumphant return of the rotating physical bezel, a fan-favorite feature that had been absent in recent models. This nostalgic design touch is likely to attract users who miss the tactile feel of traditional watches. Additionally, the entire Galaxy Watch 8 series embraces a new squircle design language, a hybrid shape that blends square and circular aesthetics, mirroring the more premium Galaxy Watch Ultra and offering a refreshed visual identity. One UI 8 watch, a leap forward in digital wellness. Design isn't the only area where Samsung is evolving. The Galaxy Watch 8 series will also debut the One UI 8 watch platform, delivering a wave of new health and fitness features aimed at deeper wellness insights and personalization. Key upgrades include bedtime guidance to help users optimize sleep routines, vascular load monitoring for better cardiovascular insights, running coach for real-time feedback during workouts, antioxidant index to assess internal stress levels and recovery. These features point to Samsung's broader strategy, merging aesthetics, smart features, and holistic health tracking into one cohesive product experience.